Good afternoon. Dear students, in the last class we have studied there are 8 letters connected only with the preceding letters. Today we come across with the end forms. See the end forms of 6 Syriac letters. There are 6 Syriac letters with the end forms. The first one, Qaf. Qaf. The end form is like this. Qaf. Then Lamad. Lamad, there are 2 end forms. One is very straight, the other one is with a slant. Lamad. Lamad. See? Lamad. Then Meme. Meme, the end form, Meme. See? End form Meme. It is different from that of Qaf. See the difference? Qaf and Meme. Here it is Meme, here Qaf. Meme. Then Zamakat. Zamakat. See how it is written? Zamakat. But the end form, Zamakat. Then Ye. Ye, the letter, not Lamad, but Ye. Not Noon, but Ye. Ye or Ain. Ain with end form. See? Shorter than that of Lamad. Lamad is long and Ye, the end form is very short. Ye. See the examples. Ye. And there is one more, Noon. Noon. Meme, Noon. Noon. Straight, Noon. End form, Noon. End form. Noon, end form, Noon. Okay? See the examples. For example, Malkok. Ma. Meme with A vowel. Ma. Mal. Lamad. Mal. Kok. Qaf. O. Qaf the end form. Malkok. How it is pronounced? Pronounced Malkok. Malkok. Here the end letter Qaf is denoted with the end form. Qaf the end form. See? Qaf the end form. Once again, Lok. Malkok means your king. Malkok means your king. Lok. For you or to you. Lok. See? There are 2 letters. Lamad and Qaf. Here Qaf is the end form. That's why the shape is different. The form is one another. The end form. Okay? There are 2 forms to the letter Qaf. One is the beginning form or the middle form. The other one is the end form. Lok. For you. To you. Lok. Then the other one, Al. Lamad. Al. Al. Upon. Preposition. Al. Upon. Ain plus A vowel. A. Al. Lamad. Al. Al. Al means upon. Preposition. Upon. Al. Up. Al. Then the other end form. Here the one is, the end form is with a slant. Then the other one, Gamalu. Gamalu means camel. Ga. Gomel plus A vowel. Ga. Gum. Gamalu. Straight. Gamalu. Gamalu. Gamalu means camel. Gamalu. Then the other one, Mele. Mele means words. Melso, word. Mele, words. Mele. Me. Le. Straight long with end form. Mele. Plural form. That is, there is a plural sign. Mele, we will study. Plural sign. Mele. Okay? Then, alohu. Alohu. See how it is written? The Aleph is parallel to that of Lomath. Alohu. Alohu. Then the end form meme. Meme, the letter, end form. Meme. E, me. Me. E plus yodha, E, long E. E, me. The end form meme. Meme. See the difference in form with the beginning letter meme and the end form meme. See the difference? Here the first letter is meme. Meme at the beginning. The beginning form is different from that of end form. The end letter is also meme, but the form is different. That's why it is known as end form. Meme. Okay? Then the next letter, noon. Noon. Men. Preposition men. Meme. Me. Noon. Men. Here there are only two letters. Meme and noon. Noon at the end of a letter, a word. At the end of a word, noon. Men. The shape is different. The form is different. The form is changed. There are two different forms to the letter noon. One is the beginning form or the middle form. The other one is end form. See? Noon. Then, ye or I. Ye. Yeshu. Ye. Yoda with the ye. Sheen. Sheen. Sheen with the u. Yeshu. Yeshu. Wow. Yeshu. U plus wow. U. Long u. Yeshu. Ended with the ye or ayin. See? The end letter ayin. Yeshu. Yeshu. Or arba. Yeshu means Jesus. Men means from. Meme, the letter meme. Meme. Okay? Yeshu. Then arba. Arba means 4. The number 4. Arba. Numeric number 4. Arba. Arba. Aleph. A with A vowel. Aleph with A vowel. A. Ar. Reach. Ba. Bet. A vowel. A end form. A end form. Arba. Arba means 4. Then the Samukat. See the end form Samukat. Tutikos. Name of a bird. Nightingale. Name of a bird. Tutikos. Tu. 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 Tuti. 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 E. E plus yod. E. Long E. U plus wow. Long U. Tutikos. Tutikos. Cough. Oh, tutiko. Wow, tutiko. Tutikos. See the end form? See the end form Samakat? The end form Samakat is different from that of beginning form or the middle form. Okay? Tutikos. Here, Samakat, the end form. Tutikos. Nightingale. Tutikos. The Syriac letters Tet and Tau. Tet and Tau. The Syriac letters Tet and Tau are connected to the preceding letters with a slanting line. or a connecting line. See, the letters Tet and Tau are connected with the preceding letters with a slanting line. How it is connected? How the slanting line is formed? See, Tau, Tet with a slanting line. This line is known as slanting line or connecting line. Slanting line or connecting line. And also Tau. Tau is connected also with a slanting line, connecting line, slanting line. Okay? Then, for example, Baitu, Ba, Bet plus A, Ba, plus Yod, Bai, A plus Yod, I, Ba plus Yod, Bai, Baitu. Tau. Here Tau, the letter is connected with the Yod with a connecting line, slanting line, connecting line. Baito. Tlito. See, Tlito. Tet. Lomad. Tili. Yod. Tlito. Tlito means child. Baito means house. Tlito means child. Tlito. Then Metul, for example, Tet. Metul. Tu with a connecting line. Here Tet is connected with the preceding letter with a slanting line or connecting line. Metul. End form of Lomad. Metul means because. It is a preposition. Metul, because. See, once again, there are 6 different letters with end forms. Which are they? Kof, Lomad, Mim, Noon, Semikat, Ye. Kof, the beginning form. The beginning and middle form of Kof is different from that of end form. See the end form and the beginning form. How it is applied in a Syriac word? Malkok. Here the end form. Why it is known as end form? These letters, when it comes at the end of a word, the shape or form of the letter is changed into one another. That's why it is known as end forms. Okay? That's why these letters are known as end forms, or these letters with end forms. Then the next one, Lomad. Lomad with 2 end forms. One is very straight, the other one is with a slant. Here see, Al with a slant end form. Al. Lomad, the end letter. Gamalo, straight. Gamalo. And Mele, straight. End form. See the Lomad, end forms. Straight. Aloho, when it is not at the end but in the middle. See the difference? Lomad, Aloho. Then Mim, the end form and beginning form. See the difference? The name of a letter, Mim. Literary return, Mim. Then Men. Noon at the beginning and noon at the end, Men. The last letter, Noon. How it is written? See, the form is different. Men. Yeshu, Ain. The Ain in the beginning and end is different. Ain, Ye. Yeshu. The last letter is A or Ain. It is different in shape or form. See, Arba. See, here Ain or A is different at the end. End form. End form Ain is applied here. Then, Zamakat, Tutikos. A bird, name of a bird, nightingale. Here the end form Samkat is different from that of beginning. See? Samkat. Then there are two letters with a connecting line. These two letters are connected with the preceding letters with a connecting line or slanting line. Which are they? Tet and Tau. Tet and Tau. How it is different when it is applied with a connecting line? See, the shape of the letter is different, the form of the letter is different when it is connected with a connecting line or slanting line. See, Tet, Tau. And see how it is different when it is applied in a word, in a Syriac word. For example, by Tu. Tau, the letter is connected with the preceding letter Yod with a connecting line. Tlito, Tau is connected with the preceding Yod with a connecting line. See the connecting line? Metul. In Metul, the Tat, the letter is connected with the preceding Meme with a connecting line, slanting line, connecting line. See the end forms of Syriac with examples. There are 6 end forms in Syriac letters: Kof, Lomad, Meme, Noon, Samkat, Ye. How they are differentiated in forms. In the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. See the examples. Malkok. Malkok, the end form Kof. See the end form Kof. It is different from that of the middle form Kof. Lok. See the end form Kof. Al. See the end form Lomad with a slant. Gamalo. See the end form Lomad in straight. Mele. See the end form Lomad in straight. Because Lomad follows the Aleph. That's why here the end form Lomad is straight. Aloho. See here the Lomad is not the end form but in the middle. But see the change occurred in the preceding Aleph. The next word, Meme. See the end form Meme and the beginning letter Meme. See the difference in form. Men. See the end form Noon. The end form Noon is different from that of the middle form and the beginning form. Kom. See the end form Meme. Noon. See the end form Meme, end form Noon and the beginning Noon. Yeshu. See the end form Ye. Arba. See the end form Ye. Tutikos. See the end form Samukat. Tutikos, nightingale. Tutikos. See the end form Samukat. There are 2 Syriac letters with a connecting line. Which are they? Tet and Tau. Tet and Tau, the Syriac letters are connected to the preceding letters with a slanting line or connecting line. See the examples. Metul. Here the middle Tet is connected with the preceding letter with a slanting line. Tlito. See the Tau, the second last letter is connected with Yod with a slanting line. Baito. See, the middle thou is connected with yod with a slanting line. See the examples and study well. Thank you.